by curtain 13. So guys, today in this series we're going to focus on file management and manipulation. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, let's say I'm a beginner. I opened a new section in Termux. I don't know where I am, but I want to know. You can use the command called pwd. That command will tell you where you are. Pwd means print working directory. You can use a command called what is to know much about the tool you want to use. So let's take a look on what this command can do. As you see, pwd means print working directory. So now let's type pwd and see where we are. As you see now, we're in home directory. Okay, so by typing pwd, it tells us that we're in home directory. Okay guys, so now we know that we're in home directory, but we don't know what is inside the home directory. If you want to know, it will show you what is exactly inside the home directory by the typing the command called ls. ls means is. Okay, if you type ls, it will show you everything that is inside the home directory. So let's take a look. As you see, it shows a lot of things. Mickey, curtain 13, and many more items. Okay, yeah guys, so that is the easiest way to list the files in Termux. Okay, but guys, the ls command is like, guys, ls command has the ability to be run with other argument or commands. So guys, you can view the main page of ls command by tapping main ls, so you can see a lot of arguments and commands here. Okay guys, so now we know about how to use the ls command. So now let's see the other way to use the ls command with another command. So now guys, if I say ls hyphen or a dash l and hit enter, it will show me in a list of a format or a table. As you see, it shows the total, the permission, the ownership, the size, date, the time, and the name of the folders that are in the home directory. Okay, so now guys, we know about how to use the ls command hyphen and l command. Okay guys, so now we learn about how to use the ls command with l command. So now guys, let's say you want to see the hidden file that are in that home directory. Okay, so to view the hidden file, you say ls command hyphen or a dash and a and hit enter. As you see, those folders in the file starting with dot or a dash are the hidden files. Okay, as you see now, we have a lot of files that we didn't have before. So those files that are starting with a or a dash exactly are hidden files that you can see if you type the ls and l command. So now if I want to list them all in a list of a format or a table, I can say ls hyphen a l and hit enter. It will show us everything that is in the home directory, even the hidden file. Now we saw them, those files that are starting with a dot, those are hidden files. Always remember that. Okay, so now it is easy for us to understand them. As you see guys, we have the permission, the ownership, the date, the file size, and the time and the name of those folders. Okay, so now guys, so now let's learn about the h command. Okay, so guys, if I say ls hyphen l and h means human readable format. So now it will show us in a human readable format. As you see now guys, it shows the total, but there's something changed. Okay, just take a look in the size of a file. So now it shows in a byte, not bit. Did you see it before? It shows in a different way than now. So now it is for us to understand the size of a folder. Okay, so this is how it works in a human readable format. So you see now the difference between if you're using the h command. As you see now, it shows in a human readable format. It shows in a byte, but here see it shows in some crazy stuff. Okay, so now this is how we use the command with H. Okay, ls command with H. Okay, so that's it, guys. Yeah, guys, so we learn about the ls command with L and H. So now let's learn about the ls command with L and R. R means recursively. Okay, so let's say I want to open one of those files, okay, in home directory or any file. I can say I want to open the Mickey file, so I can say ls hyphen L and R. R means recursive, remember. Okay, it will show me and say me again, put the slash at the end and hit enter and hit enter again. It will show me what is inside the Mickey directory. Okay, it will show me like everything, guys. I can say, as you see, guys, totally is 8, and we have the permission, the ownership, and the size, the date, and the time. Okay, and the names. We got hello text, and zoom and boom. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about the directory navigation. Okay, so if we type pwd, means pre-working directory, remember it shows us that we are in home directory. Okay, so now we're in home directory. By typing pwd, it will show you where you are. So now we're in home directory. Okay, let's say I want to jump into home directory by typing cd. Cd means change a directory. Okay, so by typing cd, it will change you into a home directory. So by confirming, we can say pwd. Okay, as you see now, we are still in a home directory, but we type cd. Okay, so now let's say cd. Let's go back. Okay, let's say I want to go back to files. Okay, you can say cd by and type 2 dot and hit enter. It will change you into a file directory. Okay, so now by confirming by typing pwd, it's still that we are in, it tells us that we are in file. Okay, so let's see what is inside the file directory by typing ls hyphen and L and hit enter. As you see now, we have home and usr. Okay, usr I think it means user. Okay, by the total file, the total folder and file that are inside the file directory is 7. Okay, so let's say I want to open the use. I can say cd. Remember, cd means change. So now we're changing the directory into a user directory by typing cd user and hit enter. Okay, so now let's confirm that we're in user by typing pwd. As you see now, you are in user, not in file. So let's see what is inside the user by typing ls hyphen and L and hit enter. As you see, guys, we are in the user directory. The total is 93. As you see now, we got BM etc included as in etc. So guys, so that is how you navigate the file. Okay, so now let's say I want to open the ECT file. As you see, we're in ECT file by typing the pwd. So let's list what is inside the ECT file. As you see, guys, we got a lot of stuffs here, root tools, everything that is inside here. We see by typing the ls command. As you see, the total is 106. Okay, so if you remember, if you want to view the hidden file, you can type the ls command and ls command L and H to view it in a Roman readable format. So this is how the ls command and cd command is used. Okay, guys, so now let's say I want to go home, back home. Okay, in a quick way, I can say cd and use the command code right over here. So that is cd right over here. It will take you back in your home directory. So as you see now, we are in home directory by typing pwd. Show that we are in home directory by typing the cd and right over here. Yeah, guys, so now it seems like we're done for today. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. If there's something you didn't understand, feel free to ask on the comment. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.